2600 mm width of EVA Interlayer film can be produced by CNC GLASS INTERLAYER. 2600 mm width of EVA Interlayer film, the super clear EVAFORCE Super Plus, has been produced for one of our best clients. 2300 mm width is the standard width we offer for the super clear EVA Interlayer film, but one of our producing line is able to produce 2600 mm width for our clients. If you need the wider width of the EVA Interlayer film, please feel free to ask us to customize for you. With 3 highly advanced EVA Interlayer film producing lines, and a well-skilled and motivated producing team, which enables us to customize the special specifications for our clients for very short time. So if you have any special requirement of the EVA Interlayer film for the special laminated glass design, please don't hesitate to contact us. You will be surprised how quickly we call to act. Following is the details explaining why our client needs 2600 mm with EVA Interlayer film. Dear Peter, good afternoon. We need to place a new order very urgent, because we have a project that involve laminated glass with EVA. The problem is that with the standard rolls of EVAFORCE Super Plus of 2300, the waste is too much. Have you got rolls of 2500? Please confirm this information, so we can indicate how many rolls we need. Also, I would like to know the delivery time, and if the price is the same. Best regards. Glazier D. Dear Glazier D. Yes, we can customize 2500 mm width of the EVA Interlayer film EVAFORCE Super Plus, and the price stays the same as last order. Best regards. Peter Lin. Dear Peter, thank you very much for your reply. Could you send the proforma for 10 rolls of Super Plus and 1 roll of Super Milky White EVA film? Please add to the proforma invoice thermal green tape, 50 mm 100 rolls. I will be sending the 100% payment tomorrow. Once we receive the new proforma, we need urgent delivery of the super clear EVA Interlayer film. We need to know the delivery time, as it is a very urgent order, and we need to know which is the best delivery time you can offer. Best regards. Glazier D. Dear Glazier D. There is 5 days needed to finish producing your order, after the payment reaches our account. We have all the raw materials in storage. Once we receive the payment, we can arrange the producing schedule and start to produce your customized EVA Interlayer film immediately. Best regards. Peter Lin.